Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see an overview about a software and a technology named Salesforce. So by the end of the session, we'll have a clear idea about what is Salesforce, who should be using the Salesforce, and an overview on sales module within Salesforce. So to start, what is Salesforce actually? Salesforce is a CRM cloud-based software developed by a company named Salesforce.com. So since it is a cloud-based software, we can access Salesforce or directly from internet. That is, no installation is required here. And Salesforce actually access both software as a service and platform as a service. That is, initially when a client subscribes for Salesforce, they will be provided a ready-made Salesforce software which can be used directly to manage your company's sales. On top of this, Salesforce also provides a Force.com platform to help you customize the software as per your business standards. Since it provides both a ready-made environment and a platform to improvise, this can be used by all levels of company, that is a small scale, middle level, or a developed company to manage their sales. Let's start with a small demo on sales module. Okay, so so to access Salesforce, so this is a URL we have to give login.salesforce.com. Okay, so I have subscribed for Salesforce and I have been given a username and password. So with this credential, I can access Salesforce. I can modify the org and do all the changes as per my business. I'm going to enter my credential. Okay, so this is a Salesforce screen. So here, if you can see a list of buttons here, right? So this is nothing but from this is called as an app launcher. From here, you can select any app you want, and you can start managing your sales. Okay. So now I'm going to navigate to the sales app. So this is basically the app like everyone will be using to manage their sales, like all the information that is required for you to track and manage your sales will be available here. Okay, so I have already customized my org, so you can see a lot of tabs on the header. But usually, like when a fresh org is subscribed, you'll be seeing only very few tabs on header, like leads, accounts, contacts, campaigns, and opportunities. So let's start with the sales module. So when any lead is interested in buying a product from your company, usually they'll call the reception and inquire about the product details. So we can directly track all those lead details within Salesforce. We can manage. We can track their progress within Salesforce, like from lead how they are converted to an customer and till closing the deal. All these things we can directly manage within Salesforce. So let's see. A customer is calling to inquire about your product. So what you have to do is we have to track the customer details within this lead. Now this person is just a lead for us. So we are going to create a new lead for the customer. Okay. I have to enter the basic details. So I have entered the basic details. I'm going to save. Okay, a lead has been saved. Okay, so now immediately this lead will be assigned to a sales rep. Just by clicking on this change owner, we can assign whatever sale, whoever is free, whichever sales force, I mean sales rep is free, we can directly assign the person here, and we can change the owner. So once the owner is changed, automatically the owner will be receiving a email notification that a new lead has been assigned to him. So he will immediately log into Salesforce. He will validate all of the details. He will try to contact the customer either via email or phone. He will schedule meetings, and once he confirms that this lead, there is a probability for this lead to become a customer, what he'll do is he will directly qualify the lead, and he will change this lead to a customer in Salesforce. So for that, what we have to do is we just have to click on this convert button. So whatever details we have entered so far, those details will be collected to create an account, contact, and an opportunity. Okay, so I'm just going to convert. So basically, what is meant by an account, contact, and opportunity? Account is nothing but the company the customer belongs to, and this contact will have all the contact details about the customer, like his email ID, phone number, and everything. And opportunity is nothing but the deal between the company, I mean our company and the customer. Okay, I'm just going to navigate to the account. Okay, here basically we will store all of the company details. Okay, and from here directly we can navigate to the customer detail and the opportunity whatever we created just a few minutes back. Okay, so here under contact we can see all of the um, primary contact of the customer. I mean this will have all of the contact details of the customer, and this opportunity, it's nothing but a deal between our company and the customer. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on this opportunity. Okay, here all the basic details about the lead we can customize over here, like we can create an order from here. Okay, and all the all the items, order line items, also we can store within this opportunity. So then like any the sales rep work is done with conversion of the lead, then any sales admin from our company will be contacting the customer, and he will take the deal forward. He will be communicating with the customer, and once the customer is once the customer confirms in buying a product, so slowly we will be changing the stage. So initially the opportunity stage will be prospecting, that is in progress. Then slowly, as and when the customer involves in buying the product, and finally when he buys the product, we will change the stage to close one. So the end of the day, like we have good options within Salesforce to create reports. Okay, so with this reports, at the end of the day, we can just calculate how many new leads have flowed into Salesforce, and how many new customers we have created in Salesforce, and what is the total revenue for a day, or for a week, or for a month. We can calculate all these things from reports. So on a high level, I have just explained a small portion of the sales module here. So as we discussed earlier, we saw what is Salesforce, and who can actually access Salesforce, and an overview on sales module. Hope this demo was informative. So thank you for your time.